Hi, my name is Julie, and I'm practicing my skills that I've previously learned in this master's program, which is why you see a split screen and an infographic. The video is being created by Screencast-O-Matic, and the infographic I had to create in another class to introduce who I am. First thing about me is I was born December 25th. My great-grandfather and grandmother were also born that day. In my free time, I like to make jewelry, I like to knit, draw and color, go to Disneyland, and attend live theater. I love to listen to music, and I can always find some music that fits my mood. My newest hobby is paddleboarding, and I recently bought a new paddleboard for myself. It's double my size at 11 feet 6 inches long, but it definitely keeps me stable in the water. It's a great relaxing sport. I am single and I don't have any kids, but I enjoy spending time with my family, my mom and dad, and my sister and brother. I love kids, which is why I wanted to go into teaching. And I'm a philanthropist and love to volunteer. And I have walked twice in a breast cancer walk. And we've walked 60 miles over 3 days. Best experience I've had, and I know I was supporting a great cause. The reason I got into teaching and wanting to teach moderate to severe special education students is years ago I went to Easter Seals Camp and I worked with two campers with moderate to severe disabilities. I absolutely fell in love with it, um, and the girls, they were wonderful. So I've always sought out opportunities to work with special needs. I volunteered in my friends' classrooms that work with special education. I've completed hours for field work working in special education. I am currently working with adults with special needs in a nonprofit organization that focuses on creative arts, and I absolutely love it. I work with them, teaching them how to make jewelry, as well as teaching them the academic side. And I also work in the school district as a substitute aide for special education. So thank you. Thank you for listening.